blue. This is going to be Nadula Hair. Just a close-up and personal look at the hair. It is the Brazilian body wave texture. I did do a lot of cutting, and of course I did bleach this hair a lot. I did order short bundles. The details are going to be below, but I only used 2 bundles of hair. If you order a frontal from Nadula Hair, you're only going to need 2 bundles of hair. After bleaching the hair twice, this is what it looks like. And of course, this is the frontal. It's already plucked. It looks beautiful. It's not going to have me doing so much work. So this is perfect already. Of course, I didn't bleach the hair to like a platinum blonde, but I just wanted it light enough to where I can see the color. This is the dye I'm going to be using. It is by Adore Indigo Blue. It's going to come off a little bit purple, and I did already test it and it looked perfect. So now I'm going to start the coloring process. I'm just pouring it all over the hair. I did not want to put it in a container. I didn't want to do it that way. This is the way I wanted to do it. Long as you are covering all of the hair. It is clear that this hair is supposed to be covered in purple/blue. It does look purple, but it's really blue. It only looks purple because pretty much when you put purple on top of like blonde hair, it turns blue. So that's why it's coming off purple. As you can see, I am literally going through the hair. It is important to use a comb or a brush. As you can see, I'm brushing through it. You want to make sure every strand of hair is covered, and that's exactly what I was doing. And I did not want to have to go back to that hair store. No ma'am, no ham, no turkey, no way. I didn't want something that was going to be too dark to where people couldn't see it, and I got a whole lot of compliments on this hair. So inside people was able to see it, and outside people were able to really see it. As you can see, I'm going all the way to the root. You really just want to take your time, get up in there, definitely wear gloves, get down and dirty, girl. You see me, I'm all up on that weft. You really want to make sure everything is covered. This was kind of like a tedious process, but like I said, you don't want to waste your time putting so much effort into coloring hair and then not cover all of the hair. Now moving on to the frontal. I did place the lace on a towel just so I can kind of keep an eye out on it. I will say that I did accidentally kind of like color the lace a little bit, but it wasn't to the point that I couldn't kind of, you know, finesse my way out of it, if you know what I'm saying. So after I finished coloring the hair, all I did was rinse it out. That is literally like all I did was rinse it out, and I made a wig. I've actually had this hair in for a while now, and I decided to show you guys how I styled my hair. This is the style that I've been rocking with this hair, and I've even gotten compliments on the actual style. This is one of my go-to styles. Styling my bob, I always like to do pin curls. This is just when I curl the hair and I put pins in it and I just let it sit over time and I release the curls, and it turns out so perfect. It has a whole lot of body, a whole lot of bounce.
So if I turn to leave, hold on, you question me. No, you ain't gonna play me twice. Nah, nah, I gave you honesty, but you ain't done for me. I can't pretend it don't feel right. Twisted truth, deja vu. And I've been down this road 'cause we've been here before. I'd be a fool to see this through.
After you're done adding your pin curls, of course, it's best to just let it set a little bit. You know, let the curls cool down in the little pin curls. I wanted to show you guys what the hair color looked like. Of course, if you've seen my previous videos, you kind of already know what this color is up close, but I wanted to show the people that have not watched my latest videos. It's beautiful. It sucks that I'm going to be changing my hair soon. I'm definitely going to miss this color. So there I am taking out my pin curls and giving it a little shake. As you can see, it's just giving me life just watching it, really. It looks nice and bouncy. I just styled it with my fingers, just running my hair through the hair, just running my hands through the hair. And as you can see, there's no tangles, there's no shedding, there's no problems, honey. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to give me a like, and of course make sure to be bold, brave, and beautiful, and I will definitely catch y'all in my next video.